Salutations de Chicago. Hi, everybody. This is my last um, video for the design exercise. In this video, I would like to just go quickly over the other sections of the app, as well as in the last video I mentioned the Android app and version and how that might look. So taking a look at the services detailed view and applying some Android material design methods to that. So what we're looking at right here is basically the feed section, and essentially that would be a feed as in any other feed that you would get on a website or an app, and that's updated information or constant information coming in as you would get in Facebook or anything like that. And in regards to this section, I would also think that possibly you might be able to incorporate interactions into the feed, so you could have more room down here to do other things. But that's something we'd have to explore. So not only is your food is going to be delivered, there's some updates to the kitchen in the west wing of the building, but you could also have something like the personal feeds, as well as corporate announcements and so forth like that, or for the tenants it could be building updates and so forth. So private messages or public messages, and then breaking that down into recent, team, company, all, and you could have mine, personal, some kind of view there, and then you can also have the ability to edit that in regards to just maybe perhaps deleting or just swiping left to delete, if that's something that we onboard them for. And then up here you could have the filters for more view options. So that's just essentially looking at the feed for the app. Next, I just wanted to quickly take a look at the tab bar for Android. So here you can see down at the bottom you could have a tab bar very similar to iOS, where you have all the different sections of the app, and then you would highlight the feed section that you're in, and that would be the color of the you could maybe customize it to make it more personal per company, but essentially you could just use the blue for the Workwell, from the Workwell logo. So let's take a look at the detail view of a service. Here you have the service. So you have the Android material tabs. Up here you can have your photos still, and you can go ahead and let's run this screen. So you see here, I actually have the toolbar taken away for now and put in a floating action button. Here I have the send icon, or some kind of icon that's gonna, you could have the plus button or something that's gonna make them want, it's a little bit, you might not even want to have a floating action, because you could have this, see, watch when I do this, it's basically going to be share, order, or reserve, and so you could, and then there'd be some way to get out of this, or you could just have something like this show right away, and that would be the Android version. So that is all I have to show regarding the videos. I hope you enjoyed them. I look forward to the next stages of the interview process. Au revoir.